Alright, y'all, welcome back to the channel. So this is the second mow of the summer, and it had rained a lot after the first mow. Go check the first mow video out. And so this video is just to show you all the before and after, to let you know how well the mower is working and do you all think it's doing a good job or not. Drop your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe as well.
Okay, so what do you think so far? This is just the first phase, but it's looking pretty well. Mower is working as expected, strong and going. I hope it can last me the next 4 or 5 seasons. But let's see, every year we'll try and shoot videos of this mower anytime we mow our lawn. So there you have it, guys. The choice is yours. I think so far the Radley mower is doing a great job. We got it at a good price. I think it was discounted then when we bought it. It came as a combo, so we had the leaf blower, the mower, and the trimmer, which is really great. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and hope this would help you decide if you want to buy this lawnmower or not. By the way, this is not a paid ad for Radley. We don't even know them. We are not associated with them in any way, but if they would like to sponsor us, why not? You could send off this video to them so they see how we are utilizing their products. If you've not subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. Go hit the subscription button and the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be the first to get it. And don't forget to share. Catch you in the next one. Bye.